Hello, this is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. Sean gave me the go ahead to send this. Hopefully, it reaches the right person. But I'm going to go ahead and go through your website, kind of see what's going on. Maybe see if we can, give some advice, see if we can, get more traction through the website. So here we have, emeraldpainting.com at Charlotte. Apparently, there are a lot of locations, but we're just looking at this one over here. So just off the bat, love the logo. I like the call to action buttons. They're great as well as all of your social media. This is done extremely well up top over here. Great header. Only thing is it follows through. So it does limit how much people can see at the same time. So that's the only thing I would say there. Get a free estimate, excellent. Um, I like kind of those check marks here. That's great. Then we come down to some reviews and exactly what you guys, what you do. Our work with, I'm assuming, yep, arrows. So you guys can go through. It actually does look really nice like that. And then we get here. It's kind of the bottom of the page already. Just contact info, which again you need. Book a free estimate. Great where we are and working hours, and then different locations, which link obviously to those other websites. And then you have your map. So that's pretty much the whole website. I'm not saying you gotta. It is a cute little website. Only thing I would say is Google is very strict about this stuff. They really want about 1,500 to 2,000 keywords on any given homepage. So, within those, 15 to 2,000 words, we're going to want some buyer intent keywords, such as, painting services in Charlotte, stuff like that, where people are looking for those specific stuff. So let's actually take a look behind the curtain here. So here we have, emeraldpainting.com Charlotte. So this is you specifically. This isn't the overarching company. As you can see, you have a UR rating, which is, just basically your trust within Google. Sorry, your power as a website or strength as a website, and then DR rating is your power with your trust with Google. Now, what happens with this is you want them to be in the 30s and 40s and a ratio of 1 to 1. Now, how do we get that? We have good backlinks. We only have 5 for this specific website. That's not a very big number, unfortunately. You do have 5 referring domains. Now, a backlink is basically where your website link is posted somewhere and people are clicking on it to lead back to your homepage, which is great. So we have a couple of 5 referring domains. Not all of them are created equal. Some of them are spammy. We don't really want those. Others do have a very powerful authority, which will add credibility to you, and that's what we're looking for. The other thing is your organic keywords. What are people searching for on Google to look for your services? So let's actually take a look. So these are the keywords on your homepage or on your website, just for Charlotte. We got, a couple. Here's the best one, right? Painter, Charlotte, North Carolina. There's a volume of 500 people, coming through. Charlotte painting, 350. You have some excellent buyer intent keywords here. We're looking for the high volume ones, of course. The only issue we're having is that you're not getting any traffic through it simply because you have no position, right? You're on page number 2, 3 on Google. So no one's really going to get to see your website through that. So if a regular person is searching for painters in Charlotte, North Carolina, they're not going to find you guys. Um, so just kind of to look back over here, the traffic for this website is 0 right now. So if we look at the overarching um, entire thing just for everyone, you have 926 keywords, and they are pulling in decent traffic, but this is the entire company as a whole. So let's look at these people, right? One Day Painting. So they're actually also like you guys, they have multiple websites. But before I even go there, I typed in Painter, Charlotte, North Carolina, right? High search volume, high everything for that. So that's great. Here we have, some people who are paying for ads so that they get seen first. And then this is what we call our Google Map pack, right? So this is where, we get to see where everyone is. A couple of ways of getting in here. You have to be able to respond. You need to be able to respond to your customers. Hopefully 5-star reviews, of course. Your name, number, address has to be the same across the board everywhere you have it posted, just so Google sees that you're a very trustworthy company. So getting in here is extremely important. And then we have obviously our generic, or shall I say organic search. So this is where people generally tend to get if they're not paying for anything. Now, I don't care for HomeAdvisor and Hughes, but now we're going to look at that, Wow One Day com. So they have multiple locations, but we're just going to look at the Charlotte one. They have the call us today in the top over here. It's not a click to call, so I don't like that very much, but they do have everything kind of set up here. Nice little logo in the corner, and as we scroll through, they do have some content over here. The only thing I would want to see is, as far as keywords go, I'm not really seeing any keywords as I'm going through their website. Like Charlotte, North Carolina, stuff like that. So as we're scrolling through, oh, that's good. So they have content, right? I would say they have about 1,000, maybe 1,500 keywords on here. They have a nice little setup going on. But now let's look a little bit behind the curtain as well. So their trust is huge because all of the backlinks they have are typically to the other websites here as well. They also have a good UR rating, as far as the strength website goes, because they do have a good amount of keywords on there. The backlinks are low, but they're probably very good ones in order for them to get this ranking. Now, the organic keyword search is they only have 48 keywords that are working really well, but they're pulling in 414 people a month just on their homepage website here. So, I mean, taking a look at their organic keywords, Painter, Charlotte, North Carolina, Charlotte Painting, Charlotte Painters. They're getting those very good keywords here so people can see them very much up front. They're in positions 3 and 4. They're on the front page for almost all of these. So they're doing really well as far as this goes. Can you beat them out? Of course you can. Just to look at the overview of their entire corporate thing that they have going on, they're pulling in over 100,000 people a month across the United States with their websites. But this one specifically is only pulling in about 450. So how can we help you out, Sean? What can we do? All we got to do, honestly, we have to get more backlinks here. They don't have that many, just get maybe 50 to 100 more than they do right there, and you're already good. Add the, 1,500 to 2,000 words on the front. Add those keywords in there as well. Got to get these organic keywords up so that it's ranking for the stuff people are going to search for. And then on top of that, once that's done, we're going to have our organic traffic going through the roof. If you can pull in an additional, maybe let's say half of what the other gentleman is pulling in, 200 people a month, what would that do for you guys? Well, Sean and whoever is watching this, I really hope that was insightful and helpful. Maybe something you can do with that. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm always looking for feedback and a way to improve. Otherwise, you guys have a great day. Bye.